Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to restore closed tabs in Edge. So in Microsoft Edge, you can restore closed tabs in several ways. So as you can see, I have several tabs open. So let's say, for example, I accidentally close this. Click this X button right here, or in your case, it's accidental. So once it's closed, so what you need to do is to open Microsoft Edge again. So you can click your profile or select your profile if prompted. Now, once opened, what you need to do is to press Control Shift plus T to restore all the closed tabs. So press the shortcut repeatedly to reopen multiple recently closed tabs in reverse order.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
Now, another thing you can do, guys, is to click the three dots in the top right corner, then look for history. Then in here, so you can click recently closed and select the tabs that you want to restore. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.